Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Okay, in today's video I'm going to fix advanced drive technology inverter, and same inverter is used by Precore, by iMaster treadmills, by and many other treadmills. So you can find this inverter in many treadmills, but the difference will be with this part number, and more specifically the hardware structure would same, but this is the main IC which is programmed for different inverters. So in this particular video I have this Korean treadmill, and the problem is it's not driving its motor. So first I will show you how it behaves. So here I have 220 volts power supply, and here I'm going to plug it, and yes, I have plugged it. And this is the power, and I have connected it here, and here you can see it's SCI Fitness. So you can see, okay. So and the behavior of this inverter is very normal, because there are two lights in this inverter. The first one is the power up light. If this light is for example, if this light is on, it's mean your inverter, the lower console or lower compartment is generating the power, and it's sending this power to the upper control. And here is the light, which means that this inverter, this IC is getting the power, and your console is on. So the problem is, once we start the press the start button, and for example here I am speed it up, and now the speed is almost 7 kilometers per hour. So it's enough speed. And now I'm going to place my multimeter on AC volt, and here I'm checking the voltage at the motor output, and there's no voltage. So but no error is being shown, because different treadmill behaves different, and this treadmill there is no behavior, because it's this console is sending the voltage signal or the drive signal to this lower control card, but it's not driving its motor. So this inverter is based on two cards, the upper console and the lower console, and this consists of one power module. So we have to look into that power module. Is this okay? Because mostly the problem occurred with that card. So let me remove this. And here I'm going to, so be careful, because high voltage is present. It's lower controller card. Always has some high voltage, so be careful. So this is the lower PCB, and I am going to remove this. Be careful from this side, because the high voltage will present. So let me show you. 35 to 40 volts are also present. So I am going to remove this, and yes, here you can see it's damaged. So look at these diodes and this, so it's faulty. And as far as it's concerned with power, it's working fine. And so here you can see, and I am pretty sure that this will be faulty. So let me show you. I'm 100% sure, because, and here you can see, so these are damaged. So if your motor is not driving and the card is being powered up, so it doesn't mean that your power module is okay, because the power could be with your this IGBT module and this card. Thank you very much.